Hey, I'm AJ Bergman here with Bergman Realty Group, and today we're going to be giving you an inside tour of one of the crown jewels of West Boca, Burt, Aronson, South County Regional Park. Why families love to live in and stay in West Boca. We can talk about the great A-rated schools, the family-centric neighborhoods, or even the nearby shopping and dining. But this park right here is where lifestyle truly meets community. This park truly has it all and has something for everyone. You have Daggerwing Nature Center, which is great for its nature trails and for wildlife. You have Osprey Point Golf Course, one of the best golf courses in South Florida as far as public courses are concerned. You also have Coconut Cove Water Park, perfect for cooling off on a summer day. You can also join ball leagues like soccer, baseball, softball. There's a world-renowned tennis academy. You can come out here and play pickleball. There's nothing that you can't do at this park. There's even a boat launch where you can take out jet skis, go water skiing on a boat, you can go paddleboarding, really enjoy the months throughout the whole year. And for those of you that are like me that spend way too much time in the sand traps, you can join Don Law Golf Academy. They are known here at Osprey because they train kids from young ages all the way through high school, even to college. And some of them end up becoming Division I golf players. On top of having one of the best public golf courses in South Florida, here at South County Regional Park in West Boca, you also have the Rick Macy Tennis Academy. This academy is known for its world-renowned tennis training. Rick Macy trained Venus and Serena Williams, so you can expect the standards to be pretty high. But don't be intimidated, even if you are a new tennis player, there is a friendly and community vibe that you can join and learn how to play tennis. And even for the more serious tennis player, you can join the academy and take your game to the next level. Also within the park, you have pickleball, which is obviously America's fastest growing sport. You have baseball, softball, soccer, leagues for your kids to join, enjoy, grow up with. You also have basketball courts, playgrounds, everything that you would expect to be in a huge park like this. So there's no shortage of options for family fun in this park, but one of the highlights that you'll find, especially in the summertime, is going to be Coconut Cove Water Park. They have a lazy river, splash pad, tons of water slides. It's great for kids of all ages. All the locals know that you should try to get here a little bit early in the day so you can find a really nice shaded spot. But even if not, there's tons of areas to sit down, relax, let your kids go out and splash and have a good time. You can even pack your own cooler with snacks, sandwiches, drinks. Make sure you stay hydrated, but always gonna have a great time here. So here at South County, you have the biggest playground in West Boca. You have slides, you have a section for toddlers and a section for older kids. It doesn't get better than this, even within your own community gates. You won't find better than South County. So one of the local favorite parts of this park is gonna be this Canine Cove, the dog park here at South County. It's a huge dog park. I don't know many that are bigger, but there's a section over there for small dogs. This is gonna be the larger dog.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Nice. On the nature side of the park, you have Daggerwing Nature Center and all of the walking trails throughout the park. You have tons of lakes, trails, sidewalks, beautiful landscapes to take a look at. Mostly you have Daggerwing Nature Center. They have an indoor exhibit, which is great to escape the heat. They have a boardwalk to walk out into the nature preserve, see tons of wildlife. You'll see the butterfly gardens. You'll see lizards, birds, occasional alligators, and if you're really lucky, you might even see a Florida bobcat. The part of the park that floats to the top is definitely going to be here at Sunset Cove. It doesn't get that name for no reason. This section of the park faces west towards the Florida Everglades, so you will get incredible sunsets nightly from this Sunset Cove amphitheater. Every night on the weekends, there's usually some sort of event going on. On Tuesdays, they usually have food truck nights. So there's always something going on that you and the family can enjoy. You can meet neighbors, meet some new people within your community, and it's always a great time. You'll have live music, you'll have charity events, 5K runs, all sorts of things that will be great for the community to enjoy. If you're thinking about making West Boca your home, reach out. I would love to take you and look at the best options that will put you within minutes of all this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future spotlights. See you at the park.